Once, a wise man named Buddha lived in a peaceful village in ancient India. One day, a young man named Arjun asked him questions about life. Arjun was desperate for answers and thought he would become wise by asking many questions. Great Buddha, I have many questions about life, suffering, and enlightenment. Can you help me understand? Buddha looked at Arjun with kind eyes. He saw the young man's eagerness and anxiety. Instead of answering right away, Buddha invited Arjun to sit with him under a tree. Arjun, before I answer your questions, let me tell you a story. Curious and a bit puzzled, Arjun nodded and listened. Once there was a rich merchant named Vasu. He had everything he wanted but was never at peace. Vasu decided to seek advice from a wise sage living in the mountains. Determined to find the answers, Vasu traveled for days until he finally reached the sage's hut. The sage welcomed Vasu and listened to his concerns. Vasu spoke about his fears, anxieties, and all about troubles in his mind. The sage listened silently, letting Vasu express every worry and doubt. After Vasu finished, the sage stayed quiet for a while. Then he asked Vasu to fetch some water from a nearby stream. Eager to peace, Vasu hurried to the stream and returned the water. The sage handed Vasu a small empty cup. Pour some water into this cup, sage instructed. Vasu began to pour, but the sage didn't ask him to stop. Soon the cup overflowed, slipping water onto the ground. Confused, Vasu stopped pouring and looked at the sage. The sage smiled and said, "Just as this cup is overflowing, so your mind with worries and fears. Your mind is so full of thoughts that there is no room for wisdom or peace. To find clarity, you must empty your mind and truly listen." Arjun listened intently, taking in every word. Buddha continued explaining the story. Arjun, like Vasu, many of us go through life with minds full of our own thoughts, fears, and assumptions. We are so eager to speak and to be heard that we forget the importance of listening. True wisdom comes when we quiet our minds and open our hearts to listen deeply to others and ourselves. Arjun felt a wave of understanding. He realized that his endless questions and restless mind stopped him from truly hearing the wisdom around him. From that day on, Arjun practiced listening. He found that when he truly listened, he connected more deeply with others, felt more at peace, and gained insight that had eluded